Hi everyone, my name is Zoe, I work at the Solar Centre, and today we are going to be unboxing and telling you everything you need to know about the Madison Solar Drop Bulb Lights set of 10. Let's get going. In the box we have the 3-watt solar panel, we have the instructions, we have the light bulbs, we have the stake for the solar panel that fits together like so, and then onto the solar panel like so. Finally, we have this thick UK weatherproof cabling that you can screw the light bulbs into and connect it up to the solar panel. So even though the Madison is a set of 10, we give you 2 extra light bulbs just in case you need them. And screwing in the light bulbs too is quite simple. These are glass bulbs, so do be gentle. And connecting up to the solar panel is easy enough. You just slot together the end of the festoon lights with the cable attached to the solar panel like so. Make sure you're twisting together this weatherproof cap to keep it all secure. Now this incredible solar panel is made of a high-grade frost-resistant polycrystalline, and it stores up to 3 watts worth of energy, which is around 10 times that of an average solar panel for a solar light. Now I'm going to place this upside down because all solar panels have a dusk sensor. This means that your lights won't turn on until it's dark, and the solar panel can recognize that, turn your lights on, and then in the morning when the sun comes out, the lights turn themselves off and the solar panel begins charging for the day. This light comes with 3 lighting modes, so you can best select the balance between the perfect runtime and the amount of brightness to guarantee year-round performance. Here we have the full brightness mode, power saving mode number 1, power saving mode number 2, and off. All you have to do to change these modes is continuously press the on-off button on the solar panel. So between the solar panel and the first bulb, there's an impressive 3.2 meters of cable, and there's a 19 centimeter drop between the main cable and the festoon bulb itself. The bulbs are spaced 50 centimeters apart, and these lights have an automatic on-off timer and run for up to 8 hours. So add these 10 vintage effect LED glass bulbs anywhere in your garden space. There's more than enough cable to run from the solar panel to these lights if you did want to conceal it, and they are designed to work well in winter. So if you have any questions about these beautiful lights, please make sure just to comment them down below and I will get back to you with the answer. Thank you very much for watching, and we will see you on the next one.